How to draft an income tax appeal. The income tax appeal in the High Court is covered under 260A of the Income Tax Act. In the High Court, if you are appealing a matter, there will be very two important aspects in the drafting. One will be the substantial question of law and the other will be facts of the case. So the first thing, the substantial question of law. You must understand that if the case is being appealed, it must be appealed from lower to the higher level. For example, it must have started at the assessing officer, then it would have been appealed to the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals, and then it would have been appealed to the Income Tax Appeallate Tribunal and then the High Court. So the Income Tax Appeallate Tribunal must have passed an order either against the income tax or against the income tax. So if the case has gone against the income tax department, then the income tax department will come in appeal in the High Court. Similarly, if the case has been decided against the Assessee in the Income Tax Appeallate Tribunal, they will come in appeal in the High Court. So the question of law will be to that effect, that whatever the tribunal has, according to your side, whatever has been error, for example, whether on facts and circumstances of the case, the ITAT erred in, say, giving you a tax effect of 10% instead of 5%, or whatever is the case, that is the question of law. And facts of the case is whatever has happened in the case, that you have filed your return, then there was a scrutiny assessment, then there were question and answered under 142(1), and you had answered the queries, and then you got some addition which is not justified. So these are facts of the case. So when you are drafting an income tax appeal, you have to know the substantial question of law and you have to know the facts of the case, and then you can draft the appeals effectively.